Hey gang, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Okay, going back to Tequila. Hope we all had some fun with that. All right, gonna have a little more fun with it because if you remember, we were doing G to F. Now what you're gonna do, and there's not gonna be any pictures here, we have to remember our chords. Remember this form? Comes off the C chord, we getting a shot of that? Okay, and you bar it. We're gonna take that bar and we're moving it to the 7th fret. So now when we do Tequila, we have okay, why this is a nice thing to do is that if you have two guitar players and one guy's going contrast. All right, so we work that out. All right, and also one other place down here with this form, the root is on the 5th string. Here, this one's a little more difficult because we need to pick up that high note now. I know on some of the chords when we were playing them down here, like the C chord, the D chord, at the beginning, you were getting stuff like that. Hopefully that's starting to clear up. So here we can, you hear? So what happens is, if somebody else is playing the rhythm, they're here. Okay, you hear this contrast? Or if you're playing alone and you want to add some color, bold. So instead of the note going, you're going. Okay, so we have. You hear how you're getting some different color in this? Now, another thing, you hear. So we got. You hear now, all of a sudden it sounds like we're going up a hill a little bit. Ooh, did that one backwards. Okay, let's start again. So, as long as you're following your sequence here, all right, you can move this bar chord around. All right, so see what you can come up with that. And remember, we're going slow here. We're gonna make mistakes. That's part of it. All right, but think in terms that we're learning more about how to move the chords up and down, how to change the color of the tune, and also how this can be used when you're playing along with other people. All right, questions, comments below. If you like it, thumbs up, please subscribe. Good luck with this, all right? And again, this now you have to start doing some work. I know there's like a lot of other sites out there where they have different stuff, and visit them, see how somebody else does some things. Then come back and you'll see that we're moving. We're moving. All right, listen, take care and have a nice day.